And that was the Vienna Wood Dancing D, one of my all-time favorites. And now let's make that random call with today's $10,000 question. It's a tough one. Who shot Alexander Hamilton in that famous duel? All right, let's go to the phones and see who's out there.
Hello?
Hello, for $10,000, who shot... Excuse me?
Hang on, let me get some milk. No!
I'm afraid your time is almost up.
I'm
I'm sorry, maybe next time.
Got milk? Got milk?
Hey, Boopy.
I don't think so, bonehead.
Got milk?
So I'm doing my sound check,
Hello.
and I hear this woman's voice.
Crunch that last chord. I'll show you.
She grabbed a guitar,
And then she started rocking. No, I mean rocking.
You're pretty good. Not.
someone that hot deserves something this cold. Suddenly, I remembered this was a bud spot.
I like your style.
Look, it's Big Sean Lawyer.
Put the calf roping back on.
Let's watch both.
Miller Lite presents the Big Lawyer Roundup. Out of the chute, there's Billy Pugh going after that little divorce lawyer that... Get him. Get him. Him down. Ropes up. Got him. Brought to you by Miller Lite. Gates open. Chasing down a big rich tax attorney. Now here comes Hack Ramsey, best in the circuit. Round in the barrel. Ropes up. That's a good snag.
You know, it's pretty good beer.
Good time, too, Hack. That's gonna beat them all.
I'm afraid that I'm not sure of
size wide leg jeans. It's wide open.
He gets to the 10, across the 10 for the first down.
I've been really trying, baby, trying to hold back this feeling for so long. And if you feel like I feel, baby, then come on. Oh, come on. Woo. Let's get it on. Ah, baby. Let's get it on. Let's love, baby.
Mom!
Oh, gonna get it on.
We're not lost.
We're out of here. No, please keep your hands in the cart. We'll come back for that later. That one needs batteries. You're gonna get Daddy in trouble. Excuse me? No, that one definitely has too many parts. We gotta go.
They're out there. And they're not like most of us. There's a passion that brings them together, unites them, like a family. Some people have even called them rebels. They're Saturn owners.
Hey guys, this must be the place, huh?
Ladies, hurry up! The factory guy's gonna talk. Shake a leg.
I don't know. I guess if you don't own one, you probably wouldn't understand.
Hey, mister, you wanna play?
Yep. I'm up.
Come on, baby, give me the heat, give me the heat! Ow! I ain't getting that. Get his own ball. Mister, don't you got a football game to go to?
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Charles, you are a role model.
I'm out of here. Bye-bye. Hey, Mike, I got my own shoes. With my own initials on it.
Yeah? Well, I have my own shoes with my own name on it.
Well, can you do this in your shoe, Mr. I don't play anymore?
Yeah, but I don't have to. I'm retired.
I'm not, and my shoes got this strap.
Laces.
Black.
White.
White's wimpy. And you can't keep it clean.
Size 13.
16.
Ooh. Nike Air.
Mine's got more.
I went ball first.
Did not.
Did too.
In an ordinary alley, off an ordinary street, you'll find a not-so-ordinary store. Welcome to Patel's Oddities.
What kind of messed up place is this?
The proprietor, collector of all things great and bizarre. But not even Patel could foresee the twisted tales that would result when he stocked his shelves with the products of the Nike Alpha Project. From Michael Bay, director of The Rock and Armageddon, comes some TV commercials starring Gary Payton, Baja Jola, Casper the Goat, Chaos the Chimp, and Harland Williams as Johnny.
I'm a mountain biker. I'm the best there ever was. I'm the best there ever is. I'm the best there ever is gonna be.
The Nike Alpha Project. Don't change the channel.
Whoa, what kind of messed up place is this? Hey, what's in the jars?
Remove your shoes. Stand up.
Come on, right? Whoa. No, left. This is amazing. We gotta get close. I'm gonna have a corner. How long does this last?
That's the problem.
How about these?
Those will work.
Stupid elves are sticky.
Going for a run.
Better take a jacket, it might snow.
Good idea.
What the? Hey, put that down.
Whoa.
Don't play in my shop.
Chicken wings, swirling on your thing. Yummy, yum. What are you staring at?
What happened to you?
I was mountain biking. I'm the best mountain biker you've ever seen. I'm the best. On your right. Come on, move. Come on, crap. Take where you learn to ride. Get out of my way. And I was winning a race, and all the other bikers got jealous, and they kicked me into a tree. Out of the way, stupid. Oh, and I went bang, hit my head. Who's there? Hey, little help here. Cactus, plant a cactus.
Don't you make me come over there, head.
I don't believe I'm talking to you, chubby. Anyway, son, my shoes won't let go of the bike, so my body's still riding around the world looking for a singing head. La 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 la, jingle wingle wingle. Hey, put me down. I'll mess you up like a cheap wig.
His papa fell off a mountain, so the goats adopted him. They changed his name too, even though it was really Tim. But he couldn't run with his brothers. Lucky for him, he had a smart mother. She went down to the city, 'cause her boy was a loser. What a pity. She was doing it for her son.
Run, Mama Goat, run!
And thanks to Mama Goat's very noble plan, her son is not a goat boy, now he's a goat man. Goat man!
Well, listen, everybody, time to ease my heavy load. I'm here to sing the praises about the finest cars on the road. CLK to this classic group, 'cause man, oh man, what a beautiful coupe, yeah. I love my Benz now. Oh yeah, it's the car for me. Oh, there's a 3.8 in my E420, man, I'm in overdrive. The C-Class starts around 31 grand, now baby, that's no jive. The SLK is show you the M-Class, honey, but it's not ready for the perfect you. No, I love my bands now. Yeah, I love my bands now. Oh, yeah, it's the car for me.
What are you guys doing in there? My office!
Looks like that storm's getting close. Mighty close.
Princess decided to go for a walk in the forest.
That ocean, she's really picking up.
Well, we'll just have to wait it out, that's all.
Mother, I'm scared. Oh, don't worry, honey. Everything's gonna be okay. Isn't it, dear?
That's right, little kitten. No need to be scared.
We have to get to safety! Gotta stand, Grandpa! Hurry, everyone!
Oh, my. Where was I? And so the princess picked up her basket of apples and felt safe once again. For her new friends, the fairies, had shown her the way home, where she and her prince would live happily ever after.
You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit. You ain't no friend of mine. People try to put us to down. Talking about my generation. Just because we get around. Talking about get down on it. Get down on it.
Oh, thanks, Marge.
Oh! Sorry.
Hello. $1 billion. $1 billion. I'm so fired.
They're coming. 10 new cars and trucks. The new Chevrolets, an American revolution.
Thanks, Dad. You're just like your mother.
Genius. Hi, I'm Michael Bay, director of Hollywood hits such as Transformers. And I demand things to be awesome. Awesome Pussycat. Awesome barbecue. Awesome pool. That's why I'm getting Verizon Fios. With the awesomeness upload and download speeds. Isn't that right, awesome Verizon guy?
Yes, sir. Blows cable away.
Introducing upload speeds up to 25 times faster than cable.
And you know what the word for that is?
Awesome?
Bingo.
This is fiber optics straight to your door. This is Fios. This is big.
This beautiful Italian masterpiece is the Giulia. It's got
top speed of 191 miles an hour,
0 to 60 in
3.8 seconds.
Need that speed.
It's got traction control.
How can I shut that off?
Well, it's there for safety.
I'm looking for lots of slip slide. Bulletproof glass option.
Dad, I'd have to run up the corporate flagpole.
Excellento. It's Italian.
It's not Italian. You kind of look like that director guy, Michael Bay.
That? No, I do not.
Yeah, you do.
No.
It's got an adjustable suspension, sport, comfort.
I don't need comfort. I'm looking for something that can drive downstairs, jump about 30 feet. Like jump.
Unique request.
I'm a very specific, unique customer.
Name Michael.
I'll take 7.
7?
7.
Are you gonna blow these up in a movie?
I'm not that dude.
Of course not.
Let's just talk about warranty packages. This is a serious, importante issue. Does this cover liability, property damage?